Hey everyone, this is Timothy Halverson. Originally, when I started this YouTube channel, I started posting on architecture, technology, and different things like that, which has eventually led into what is now Sevenfold. And if you're curious about that, head over to 7FOLD. And I have a Sevenfold Design Technology page, which is a growing YouTube channel and presence. But for here specifically, I'm just going to use this channel as things in my lifestyle, things that people always ask me about, things that I might, get frustrated with, find an answer to a specific solution, creative projects, creative outlets, things like that. So right now, there's a lot of things that are behind the scenes that I don't really talk about in regards to the production of Sevenfold. But I think could be useful for more than just me and my business and how I'm running things. And so if I find something useful, I might just post it on here. It could be applicable to multiple niches, camera gear, desk setup, studio setup, tech, any kind of tech related stuff that's really not tied directly to architecture that might be useful for a broader audience. So, I'm not really planning to be super engaged in the comments. I just want to share information that I think could be useful, both if I wanted a reminder for myself, as well as if anybody else might be asking the same question on a online forum or things like that. So I anticipate this being more of a lifestyle thing, stuff I'm interested in, stuff I'm curious about, and sharing is caring. So that's all I had to say. Thanks again for stopping by my channel, and I look forward to seeing you around the community. Cheers.